You learned this in kindergarten, but science says doing it every day for 30 days burns fat, strengthens your heart, and transforms your endurance. We're talking about jumping jacks, and the results are more serious than you think. Stay with me because what happens to your body in week 3 is something no one talks about. Jumping jacks are a full-body cardiovascular movement. They spike your heart rate, engage your shoulders, core, inner thighs, and calves simultaneously. 10 minutes burns up to 100 calories, and done daily, they directly improve your VO2 max, the gold standard measure of cardiovascular fitness.
You know the move, but here's what most people get wrong. Land softly on the balls of your feet, not flat-footed. That protects your knees and ankles. Arms fully extended overhead every single rep. Don't get lazy. Core tight throughout. This isn't just cardio, it's a core exercise too. The plan? 3 sets of 50 reps daily. Build to 100 reps by week 3. Like this if it's helpful, and keep watching. Week 1. Heart pounding, breathing hard. Your cardio baseline is being reset. Week 2, recovery gets faster. Same reps, less effort. Your heart is getting stronger. Week 3, energy levels up, waistline down. Your body is burning fat even at rest. Week 4, you're leaner, lighter, and your stamina is unrecognizable. Better sleep, sharper focus, less breathlessness climbing stairs, all from a move you learned as a kid, done consistently with intention. 30 days, 0 equipment, no excuses. The only thing standing between you and a healthier body is 3 minutes a day. Start right now.